You gotta YouTube your...
Up there, my burgers.
Mhm.
So I get in. I'm gonna make my burger. Make my burger. Make my burger. Making my burger, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. There you go.
Get on there. Gonna reach this one with that too.
There's an egg. What am I gonna have? Ooh. Onion. Red
You just
onion.
Put whatever you like on it.
I'm having red onion. Leave me alone, bro.
Hey? You having onion dunion?
Yeah, I'm having red onion.
Cool.
I said, let me go, bro.
An egg. Piece of cheese to go on top of the egg.
I'm leaving that go last.
Mm-hmm. Where'd I put the meat? Oh, I wonder I can't see it. Is that rain we're hearing, eh?
No shit, Sherlock.
Yeah, I hope Sherlock's listening. We don't need too much more rain. I
Why?
need to have a look this morning and see how much we... I was going to cut the edge off that one.
Please.
Yeah, because like I took 30 out the other day.
Yeah. I'm probably going to get a little bit.
You want this bit or that bit?
That bit.
Okay.
Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Cheese, biggies.
Put some tomato on there.
Oh, see.
Pepper.
Oh, honey. Oh.
I said there was some honey mustard there. God, that looks like a bit of cum. Sorry. Sorry. We haven't been down that track. Cool. You happy?
Yep.
Cool.
Hell yeah.
I'll eat that pasta. I'll be putting that pasta back in there.
Yum yum.
How warm is it? I bet it's 17 down here. I probably don't need to put the heater on, eh?
What's that?
Probably don't need